Hello everyone and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. Today's practice involves exploring a very popular back bending posture, Baby Cobra. This posture is wonderful because it helps create more flexibility in our spines and it strengthens our back, our shoulders, our arms, and helps tone the low body. In other words, our legs. No props are required for today's practice. Just bring your beautiful self to the mat. All right, let's get moving. Howdy friends, let's come to lie on our bellies. When you arrive there, extend your legs out long behind you. Place your hands at your sides, roughly in line with your chest and fairly close to your rib cage. Now spread your fingers super wide, imagining as if you're about to give someone an epic high five. Now our low body is not just like hanging out, chillaxing, doing its own thing. Instead, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our heels in line with our hip points and press the tops of our feet into the mat. When this happens, you may feel that your calves start to turn on and your quads are really pressing into the mat. Now rock your pubic bone into the mat. Similar to when we're entering mountain pose, when we cue to rock the pelvis forward, we're creating length in our low back. As we move through Baby Cobra, this will help protect our low back, keeping it nice and safe. Okay, so we're gonna have this foundation, this strong foundation in our low body throughout this entire practice. It's going to be hard work. Okay, now loop your shoulders up and down the back body, creating some space between your ears and your shoulders. Also opening up the chest. To create more of an opening in the chest, let's bring our elbows closer together, so hugging into the side body. And what ends up happening is that our shoulder blades also come closer together. Now the neck. The neck is an extension of the spine, so we'll want to tuck in our chin slightly to create length in the back of our necks. Gaze directly past your nose. Cool! Guess what? Baby Cobra. Yep, that's right. For some reason, baby shark popped into my mind and I'm glad I said cobra instead of shark because that would have been interesting. Anyways, we are in Baby Cobra. You may already start to feel a bit of a shake or a tremble going on. That's cool. That's prana radiating throughout your body. Embrace it. And let's lower back down to the mat, forehead to the mat, just to take a little bit of a breather. Okay, we're gonna continue to grow this posture, keeping in mind these key action points. So again, press into the tops of our feet. Rock that tailbone in, meaning pressing the pubic bone into the mat. Loop your shoulders up and down the back body. It's already going to create a bit of a lift in our chest. Rise up a little bit more, so cultivate some strength in our low back. Hug the elbows into the side body. Tuck your chin in slightly. Gaze directly past your nose. Great, let's flow. So release your forehead back to your mat. As we inhale, we're gonna rise on up, Baby Cobra. And exhale, make our way back to the mat. Inhale in, Baby Cobra. And exhale, back to the mat. Inhale, Baby Cobra. Maybe this time integrating some, neck movement. Sway, and then back down to the mat. What? Okay, let's come on through to a tabletop position, so on all fours. Bring your legs together, knees to touch. Paint your yoga mat. Send those hands back, palms facing towards the sky. Melt the upper body over top of the thighs, and then come to rest your forehead on the mat. Child's pose. So this is a counter pose to what we just did, Baby Cobra. Let's hang out here for 3 breath cycles. And then we rise up together, stacking the head over the heart and the heart over the pelvis. You did a great job today. Awesome work. Okay, so that was Baby Cobra. I would love to hear from you, so feel free to share any comments and or questions that you had in relation to the pose or the practice in general. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the Yoga with Rachel channel. It is the best way to support free yoga content for all. Thank you so very much for sharing your time and energy with me today. I appreciate you. Thank you. Anyways, bye for now. Amazing, I'm just feeling a little kitty coming onto my back right now. Digging actually on my back, as cats do. Okay.